Computer carts with wheels are highly versatile and practical solutions for businesses and educational institutions that need to move computers and other equipment around frequently. There are many products available to choose computer carts with wheels, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best computer carts with wheels from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vivo Computer Tower Desktop ADX Case. Vivo Computer Cart is a versatile solution for your workspace. Easily adjust its width from 4.7 to 8.2 to fit most ADX cases. The 4-caster wheels provide smooth mobility, with 2 lockable wheels for stability. Constructed with high-grade steel, it ensures durability and security for your computer. The matte black finish gives it a sleek look, elevating your PC off the floor for cleanliness and better ventilation. With minimal assembly required, this cart is a convenient addition to keep your workspace organized and efficient. Number 2. Mount It Rolling Desk. This ergonomic mobile standing desk is height adjustable, making it ideal for use as a stand-up portable computer office desk and speakers podium. It has ample room with 4 platforms to store monitor, laptop, keyboard, printer, CPU, PC tower, and speakers. The top 2 platforms are height adjustable for ergonomic laptop keyboard and monitor placement. The desk has a weight capacity of 132 pounds and is portable, with locking wheels making it easy to move from room to room. Number 3. Vivo Mobile Adjustable PC Cart. Vivo PC Cart is a versatile 2-tier cart designed to store your oversized PC, gaming system, or printer with ease. The 4 casters ensure smooth mobility for easy placement, while 2 lockable casters keep the cart stationary when needed. This cart helps organize your workspace by allowing easy movement for reorganization or cleaning. The open frame design provides access to vital ports and optimal airflow for cooling. With a height-adjustable feature, it accommodates most computer cases and offers extra storage space. Number 4. Adjustable Mobile CPU Stand. The Havadova CPU stand is a practical solution for gamers and students. The protective railings prevent your PC from falling and offer easy access to the back for cable management. With 360 degrees rotating wheels, you can effortlessly move your computer tower for cleaning. The sturdy metal construction can hold up to 88 pounds, ensuring your tower's safety. Additionally, the perforated design aids in heat dissipation, keeping your PC cool during intense gaming sessions. The adjustable width fits most computer towers, making it a versatile choice for various setups. Number 5. Mobile CPU Stand Adjustable Computer Tower Stand. Introducing the Liditon CPU Stand, a mobile and adjustable computer tower stand designed to provide convenience and practicality. With its 4 360-degree rotating casters, you can easily move your CPU around, and when needed, lock the steel pipe to keep it in place. The adjustable design allows for a wide range of computer tower sizes, accommodating most models on the market. Made of high-grade steel and durable ABS materials, this stand offers a sturdy structure and strong load-bearing capacity. The non-slip surface ensures that your PC case stays securely in place, preventing falls and scratches. By elevating your CPU and increasing the distance from the ground, this stand enhances heat dissipation and saves valuable desktop space. Experience the benefits of a clean and ventilated setup with the Liditon CPU stand. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.